Hi guys, this is Anjali bringing you reading for Capricorn, and this is going to be a general reading for the month of October 2020. And guys, this is a general reading, so please take it as it resonates, right? And the energies can be vice versa. Cross watchers are also welcome, and kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And guys, you can also now follow me in Instagram and in Facebook. Now let's get our reading started. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Don't let your past hold you back. That's your first message. South Node. It's clearly saying you to move forward and don't hold yourself back. The energy is gaining momentum. This also means that you are going forward, or there is some kind of movement forward, which is like this can be a fast moving energy here, right? Waxing moon. So I really feel that it's time for you to let go of the past and move forward, right? Into the present and to the future. So you need to focus on the present and bring a new bright future, all right? Message for Capricorn for October 2020. Work through your fears. New moon in Scorpio. So it means that you are moving forward, and I really feel that you're trying to work out your fears here, all right? You might be finding some kind of breakthrough in moving forward here. Now, a time to give rather than take. So it's like focus on giving and not expecting any results. It's also meaning that put all your intention and all your focus in your present, whatever you are doing, and not expecting anything in return, because you will get what you really what is really meant for you in the time when the time comes, right. So I really feel that it's time for you to move from the past, be in the moment, and work through your fears, and do not expect for any results, because you will get results, right? Don't get stuck because you are not getting the results you need. So I really feel that this is you focusing on your life here, right? Ace of Cups here. Beautiful. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, and the Page of Cups. Looks like there is a new love offer coming towards you, or this might be even a return of somebody. There are messages coming towards you. This might be even a small offer. This might be something new here, all right? This might be something starting here with a new offer here. True love, happiness, joy here. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This can also indicate multiple people in your life. I really feel that there might be certain messages coming towards you, all right, from a Cancer, Scorpio, or a Pisces here. Now let's get messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. Yes, please. Six of Cups. We are getting Cups energy. Love. All right. Six of Cups. This means there is some kind of memories or nostalgia with this person, or this might be your soulmate, or this somebody coming into your life bringing that soulmate energy, or you know who is this person, and there is some kind of reconciliation coming towards you. Wow, Cups energy for you guys. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again. So I really feel that somebody might be even missing the other person here, because I really feel that there's no communication here. All right, this might be sudden change of events. Let's see, messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Messages for Capricorn. Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. That is energy. So you might be thinking about this person, and you are trying to juggle things here. All right, this might be you focusing on your work and your social life, or take it as it resonates. All right, so you are stepping into a place where you are juggling here. You are having multiple thoughts or situations in your hand, and you really feel that you might be juggling, because most probably this is somebody who you might be missing somebody here. And we have the Eight of Wands, communication coming through. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy as well. This is fast moving energy here with the Eight of Wands. All right, messages, please. Messages for Capricorn. Seven of Cups. So there are options here, or somebody has multiple options here to choose from. The Seven of Cups. This also means that there is some kind of distractions here. There is love. There is. So it looks like there are options here for somebody. You might be having multiple options in love. There are opportunities coming towards you in love, or something related to what you really love in your life. Maybe something of a hobby, or something you are really connected to. All right. Again, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. We have the Four of Cups here. So you're lost in your own thoughts here, all right? And the Knight of Swords. So I really feel that there is some kind of, holding on to somebody here, or you might be thinking about some kind of an option. You might be having options, but you're not solely focusing in your own thoughts. You're being stubborn here, and there is somebody coming in with the Knight of Swords. There is some kind of messages or clarity coming towards you. There is communication. There is so much of communication coming in. This might be from multiple people. I'm feeling there are multiple people who's vying for your attention. So even when these messages are coming through, you have options, but you're not choosing anything right now. That's what I feel. You are just focusing on yourself or your thoughts. There's some kind of thoughts you're holding on to, and you're still focusing on. We have the Cancer here. So I really feel that this might be somebody who has Cancer in their charts, or I really feel that this is solely focusing on your spiritual self or understanding of from a higher perspective. And there is some kind of clarity coming towards you from with the Knight of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy here. Let's get more messages, bringing clarity into the situation, all right? Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Thank you. Transformation. So there is transformation coming towards you guys. So there is change. There is huge change coming towards you. Politics. 7 of Swords here. So I really feel that you might feel that somebody is wearing a mask here, or somebody is not telling you the truth here. Bringing suppression here. Suppression is all about 10 of Wands. This means that you are holding on to some kind of burden, or this person not being truthful to yourself, to you, is bringing some kind of depression, or you might be feeling like you are holding on to some kind of burden here. All right. Messages for Capricorn, please. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn, please? Projection. 7 of Cups again. So there are projections here. You might feel that there are multiple opportunities, or you might feel that look carefully when you have options, right, or opportunities, multiple opportunities coming towards you. Do not go with the face value. You need to go deep and find answers, all right? Then we have possibilities. 2 of Wands here. This might be multiple possibilities or opportunities here, and you might be feeling stuck in between opportunities. Let's see. 2 of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. Now let's see. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn for October 2020? Please give me clear, precise messages for Capricorn for October 2020. Messages for Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn, please? What are the messages for Capricorn? Receptivity. That's the Queen of Cups here. So this is all about deep healing and deep understanding. This is all about love, maturity, right? Understanding things more deeply. Free-flowing energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again. So I really feel that you do not have to look into the projections. You need to find. There are possibilities. There are multiple possibilities or opportunities here. But it's all about understanding things more clearly, all right? Then we have participation. So there is some kind of an event or some kind of an participation here, bringing that foundation into a situation here. And we have the 4 of Pentacles here, which means that you're holding on to something very dearly. You're being very miserly here, which means that you're not ready to let go of something here, all right? Then we have the Knight of Pentacles here, which means that there is slowing down of a situation here. This is the slowest moving night, so you know that things will take some time. Something is coming towards you, but it's taking some time. There are opportunities bringing money and love into your situation, so please do not fall for the projections. I'm feeling this card a lot today, all right? Look deep within. Whatever you see in the in the face value may not be true. Now we have courage here. Leo energy, strength, courage. So I really feel that you are being very strong and courageous here, and you're moving towards some kind of a completion here. So I really feel that you are able to put all the pieces together here, bringing some kind of completion or closure here. And we have Thunderbolt here. This is all about sudden changes here with the Thunderbolt. So I really feel that there are changes here. There might be some kind of things which you really feel like it's not going to work out, or I really feel that there are things which you are, do not take things on face value, all right? Take time to think over it and then make a decision, all right? Now let me get some oracle messages for you guys, more clarity, right? Then we'll go with Lenormand, right? Pillar of light, your vibration is rising. You are the oracle, so you are clearly very much aligned to the divine. So I really feel that you are getting all the downloads. So you need to understand that you can make a decision, or you can understand things very clearly. Don't dim to fit in, which means that if you are feeling like you need to, let the others take charge of a situation, that's not how it works. So you need to do your part and step aside, and don't let somebody overpower you, all right? Answer the call. This is your soul's calling. Understand what's your soul's calling and work on it, all right? this is all about realization. I really feel that whatever this October is bringing is all about realization here, which means that you need to let go of the past and move towards the future without expecting any, outcome, because you are supposed to do your work and leave the rest to the divine. The time will bring all the important things in your life. All right. Now we have 43 here, which means that you're moving in circles. We have the moon here. Okay, we have the clover, which means brings luck. So I really feel that there is some kind of changes bringing this situation which are going round and round here, right? So you might be thinking about a love interest, or you might be thinking about something here with so much of a deep desire. I really feel that you are not finding clarity here. There is something going round and round, which means so much of confusion in a situation here, right? Now we have the moon and the clover brings some kind of luck in the situation of love. So I really feel that this there is some kind of luck coming towards you in a situation where there is some kind of cloudiness or there's some kind of confusion here, all right? Now we have the dice here. Oh, the mountain. And okay, the park. All right. So the dice, there's some kind of risk being involved. I mean, there's some kind of a risk here. There are some kind of burdens or obstacles here, and there is risk involved in this situation. All right. This might be, you might be feeling that there is an obstacle and you need to take a risk, right? You need to juggle here. You need to take a risk and throw the dice and find an answer to your question. There is also some kind of obstacle between you and this person, who you might have met this person in a social setting. This might be you having some kind of obstacle to meet this person and exchange your ideas or thoughts. You might feel that moving towards this person also brings some kind of risk in a situation. There is obstacle in, I really feel that this might be about love, all right? And I really feel that you might have so much of desires for this person, but you do not know how to move forward and get them some kind of clarity. But there is luck here, all right? There is luck here. There is meeting of this person here, but there is some kind of obstacles here. You need to think clearly, right? If you feel that you are holding on to the past and not moving forward because you had some kind of experience in the past where you feel like, okay, if I'm going to do this things is going to happen, don't do that. Take one thing at a time. Understand what you want to understand what you feel, move towards your outcome. Don't expect anything in return for now, all right? This clearly says that move forward, do it. There might be obstacles. I really feel that there is luck here, so I really feel that there is luck. Things might move forward, all right? And I really feel that you might be meeting this person in a social setting, bringing some kind of love and kind of you might have some kind of desire for this person here. And this love, you might feel that there's some kind of risk involving this situation, right? And this obstacle is bringing some kind of confusion, and you might be going on and on about it in your heart and your mind. So Capricorns, this is your monthly message for October 2020. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.